I remember that. Lightning within 5 and all that other shit. Damn it.
I got it back up just in time.
I didn't.
I was thinking about it. Oh, shit.
Yep, I got wet. Didn't close the window like a dummy. So Buddy and I decided we'd go get breakfast this morning, and dashcam was rolling and caught this storm front coming into Oklahoma City. Got some really good clips and footage with this lightning there and a few other things. So check this video out. It's kind of fun to watch. Never a dull moment in Oklahoma.
Let's make a great video.
Oh, he's over there. Holy shit. He was tired all the way out there. Holy shit.
Oh my god. I'm glad I got this on video. Welcome to Oklahoma, where we lose tires and shoot each other up at nice places. Look at that.
Second car. You got your umbrella and cover me with it.
I ain't got one of them there.
I got like a dozen in my garage.
My sister took mine.
I got like a dozen in the garage.
This is fucking rain, dude. Go for it. It ain't gonna stop.
I was waiting for it to stack up a little bit. So I get around the front, I have to go around the back. Oh, I've got to go around the back. I need to close the water down front.
Come on, you're hungry. Come on, food.